When it comes to buying tickets for events, you've probably already heard of Eventbrite. But before you hit that purchase button, there are a few things you need to know. I've used Eventbrite personally and compared it to its competitors, so I can give you the inside scoop on how to make sure you're getting the best deal and experience. Stick around to the end, because I'll share a few surprises that might make you rethink where you buy your next ticket. Next thing to know is how Eventbrite stacks up against its competitors like Ticketmaster or Brown Paper Tickets. One key difference is the user experience. Eventbrite is incredibly user-friendly, with an easy-to-navigate platform that's designed for both organizers and attendees. Whether you're browsing for events or setting one up, it's pretty straightforward. While Ticketmaster has more ticketing options for large-scale events, Eventbrite is more tailored to smaller events, making it a great choice for local happenings. The third thing to keep in mind is fees. Eventbrite does charge service fees, but they're generally lower than competitors like Ticketmaster. However, these fees can add up quickly depending on the event. What's important to note is that Eventbrite allows event organizers to choose whether they pass on these fees to the buyer or absorb them themselves. This can mean a difference in price at checkout. It's worth double-checking the final price before completing your purchase. The fourth thing that stands out about Eventbrite is its event discovery features. Unlike Ticketmaster, which focuses mostly on big concerts and stadium events, Eventbrite gives you access to a wide range of smaller, unique events. From workshops and networking events to indie concerts and comedy nights, it's easy to find something that fits your interests. Eventbrite's recommendation engine also helps you discover events based on your past activity, making it a bit more personal. Next, let's talk about accessibility. Eventbrite is great for people who have special requirements or need more info on accessibility features. For example, you can find events that cater specifically to people with disabilities, which is a nice touch compared to other platforms. When booking, you can also filter results based on location, price range, and even whether the venue offers wheelchair access, something that's not always emphasized on other platforms. The sixth thing to mention is Eventbrite's mobile app. Whether you're using it for ticketing or to discover new events, the app is solid. It allows you to store your tickets digitally, saving you from the hassle of paper tickets, which is a feature that some competitors lack. The app also gives you updates and reminders about your events, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Now, the seventh and final thing to consider is Eventbrite's customer service. Compared to other ticket platforms, Eventbrite has a pretty responsive support system, especially when it comes to issues with refunds or event changes. While issues can still arise, like with any service, Eventbrite offers an easy-to-use contact form and live chat to help you get your concerns resolved quickly. So, if you're considering buying tickets on Eventbrite, remember these things to ensure you're getting the most out of your purchase. Now, if you're ready to give Eventbrite a shot and get access to the best deals, check the first link in the description. You can try it out for free and get some exclusive benefits.